If you have hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of emails in your inbox, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and frozen. However, relief is easier and simpler than you might think. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly declutter your inbox so that you can have some relief and start over with a fresh slate. So what is this secret sauce that I was speaking of? Well, my friend, it is a simple thing called archiving. And in Gmail, it is this button here. Once you highlight an email, you can archive it, and that email will then move into your all mail folder. So what's nice about this is your inbox is a visual representation of email that has come into your email platform, but there's been no action taken on it yet, right? You didn't send it to the trash. There's no label on it or filter. Your all mail holds all of the emails in your email platform. Your inbox is a representation of those emails sitting in your inbox, but if you archive an email from your inbox, it will move into your all mail and out of this visual spot. So this is helpful and relevant for a lot of my clients because what it means, you can take an inbox that has 1,100 and change emails that you're looking at every day and it's causing confusion and frustration. You can select all of those emails and then you can archive them. Yes, to a bulk action. Please get out of my inbox. Sometimes it takes a beat and you'll see it's done some. I'm going to pause it. And boom, your inbox is now clear and you can start fresh. And here's the beauty about all mail that I really like to go over with my clients. The big fear, right, in deleting things or getting rid of things out of your inbox is, oh my gosh, what if I needed something and I didn't know it was there? Email 8,276 had a photo that I really wanted of my dog, right? Well, it's still here. It's in your all mail. Okay, so it's not trashed where things are deleted after 30 days. It's simply in a different visual holding tank. So you can still use your search up here to type for, attachments with photos using the circumstance that I used before about your dog photo. You can do a search by sender by copying and pasting in a search and a sender. But the big thing is nothing is gone. It's still in your Gmail platform. It's simply now in your all mail and your inbox is clear and clutter free. So I recommend archiving anything that has been sitting in your inbox for more than 30 days or even 2 weeks. This is one of my favorite digital organizing tips because it's fast, it's gentle, but it's so effective. You're not deleting, you are simply decluttering using the power of archiving. So if you've been staring at a full inbox for months or years, no judgment at all, but go ahead and archive your inbox. It'll give you a fresh start and a lot of mental space. You have got this, my friend, and happy organizing.